Hi, I'm Steve Plum, Senior Editor of SM Media. I'm here today with Stacey DelVecchio, President of Stacey D Consulting.
Yep,
Thank you for joining us.
sure. It's happy to be here with you.
So we're at RAPID TCT. Have you seen anything great at the show? What brings you back year after year to events like RAPID?
Well, I come back year after year because a couple reasons. I'm a firm believer in the role of professional societies in technical aspects of engineering or deployment. And so I firmly believe that having a technical society that's a not-for-profit lead the work of additive manufacturing and engagement and championing it is important. And then a lot of people want to do it, a lot of the other professional societies, but I think SME is the one to do it. They should be the experts with what we're doing because it's manufacturing. We just want to be in with all the other manufacturing people. So with all of that, I support it. I want SME to continue to be the leader in it. And I'm like, well, I have to be at the show then because that's the pinnacle of where you get to see everything.
Now, your business helps companies implement, strategize about additive.
Right.
What are some of the key issues that you're seeing today?
The key issues seem to be the same key issues that have been around for years. And I really try to get people to think about what problem are they trying to solve. Mm-hmm. So sometimes you have an executive or a champion in a company that's like, we need to get into 3D printing, we're behind the boat. And they just go, even to the extreme of they buy machines. And it's like, if people can't articulate what problem they're solving, they're just starting off with no foundation and destined to fail unless they can figure that out. So they have to be like, we have an application that's getting too hot, or we have a supply chain issue, or we have, a weight issue, but there has to be some problem, and it can't just be, we think we should be printing.
And what excites you about the future of additive?
I continue to be amazed. Every year there's all these new companies and they come with these great ideas and they've made significant advances in the technology, and I keep thinking, oh, it's going to level out, because there's all these new companies every year, but they just keep coming with all of the ideas. Yesterday at the end of the day on the show, we had our first pitch fest at RAPID, and so there were 10 finalists and they gave 5 minutes to, rapid fire with their pitch, and I'm like, all of these sound amazing and these people have these great ideas, so I get excited about the brilliance of people that they're putting it together, the energy and the commitment they have to making something successful, and there's very few other manufacturing aspects that have that kind of energy.
Well, thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us.
Okay.